Hello and welcome back to Mastermind. In this tutorial video, I will be walking you through the features in Mastermind that allow you to interact with the medical literature for a given query. Let's get started. To begin your search, enter in the appropriate search parameters from the home page and click Search. Entering in a disease and gene will take you directly to the Mastermind Association page, shown here. The features in Mastermind that highlight the literature that mentions your search terms or their synonyms are depicted on the right. The top pane shows the article impact factor plot. The next pane shows the article list. The final pane shows the sentence fragments from the full text that mention relevant keywords, including the gene, variants, and clinical terms used in the full text. The first feature I will describe is the article impact factor plot. This plot depicts each article in the Mastermind results as a separate icon plotted along the x-axis by publication date and along the y-axis by the journal impact factor or citation score for that journal. The size of the icon is a reflection of the strength of the association of the terms within the article based on the number of times the terms are mentioned, where in the paper they are mentioned, and how close together they are mentioned. You can zoom in on and drag this plot to explore more fully, or hover over or click any icon to learn more. Clicking the Reset button brings this plot to its original axis. The next feature we will discuss is the article list. This list itemizes the articles in your search results. The journal, date, and title of each article is listed, as is an indication of whether this article has been full-text indexed by Mastermind. If any of the articles in your search results have not been indexed, click on the Request PDF button, and Mastermind will attempt to index this article and include the results in the Mastermind database. Clicking on any of these articles in this list will reveal the abstract and sentence fragments for that article in the panes below. To the right, an enumeration of the number of times a gene name is mentioned in the full text is listed. When a variant is selected, a new column of data appears for the chosen variant. Bibliographic information for the articles in the article list can be exported as a comma-separated file. The items in this list are those that remain after filtering with any additional key terms. Simply click the export icon to access this file. Mastermind also provides an automated link out to Google Scholar that incorporates all active search parameters. The article list is sorted in descending order of the association strength mentioned earlier. This prioritization can be changed to sort by publication date, journal name, or impact score by engaging one of these from the drop-down menu. The lower panes on the left and the right become visible once an article is selected from the article impact plot or otherwise from the article list. On the left, Mastermind displays the title with a hyperlink to PubMed, as well as the fully highlighted abstract. On the right, Mastermind depicts the full text sentence fragments where various terms are mentioned in the selected article. To toggle between gene, variant, and key term mentions, engage the drop-down menu at the right and select the appropriate menu item. Note that this selection persists as you rapidly toggle from article to article in the article list. Similarly, when you are interested in answering a focused clinical question and engage one of the Mastermind categories in the upper pane, the key term sentence fragments have now become filtered for this category or key term and will persist as you toggle between these articles. If you would like to view the PDF, simply click the Load PDF button. The PDF will appear in Mastermind just as it would if you were to access this content directly from the source. PDFs are only viewable if access to this article is available to you. This tutorial has covered the basic features of Mastermind's display of the literature relevant to your search. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us with any questions or feedback you may have at support@genomenon.com.